the actions, not just of the PIDEA Region 11 at that time, but also of the anti-drug police units na bakit walang follow-up itong na ginawa dito sa 11 Chinese nationals na to. So go ahead, sir.
Una, ang haba nga ng proseso, Mr. Chair. So after sa laboratory, again, we reviewed all the surveillance tapes. So tinignan namin mga muka nung mga nakuna namin for the past 3 months. And then, isa-isa, yung mga kinwestiyon, wala naman tumama dun sa mukha eh. So, there's no, for us, immediate kasi na yung follow-up operation on other laboratories.
So doon nakatutok yung
Doon nakatutok. Kasi nga, again, 28 lang kami, Mr. Chair, and priority task requirement ang sinusunod namin. But may kasama pa rin kasing taga Davao City Police Office, BID, and may isang PIDEA. But nireview namin yung mga tapes, walang mukha doon. Kaya nga kung makikita natin yung listahan dito kanina, yung isa doon, may Carlos C. pa nga parang tataya tayo ni matanda na yung Mr. Chair.
So we will wait for again the report also of the Bureau of Immigration as to what happened, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Again,
Mr.
thank
Chair.
you again,
Yes.
DG, and thank you, Colonel Acerto.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you, Congressman Flores. Yes, Congressman Akop.
may I ask Director Wilkins, how many events or raids did you conduct during that operation there?
First,
Kasi tinatanong ko po yun dahil ginawa niyo pong dahilan yung number one, you were concentrating on other laboratories. Second, 28 lang po yung tao ninyo. Now, ilan po bang operations na nangyari nung first week of January 2005, including 31 December of 2004?
first is December 31, clandestine laboratory operation.
That's in Dumoy.
Joint, Mr. Chair.
And that's in Dumoy.
Dumoy, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
So, next is in Arlene apartment on the following, immediately after Dumoy, Arlene apartment, dahil doon namin nakuha si Jed Pilapil, tsaka si Jed Pilapil, yung asawa ni Alan C.
Yes.
And then, supposedly, didiretsuhin sana namin, but we secured a search warrant on para makapag-implement ng operation on the 4th of January. Ito po yung sa Agdao. Ito yung warehouse ng Agdao, Mr. Chair. Tapos nung January 5, ito naman yung sa Polytex International, Davao City Polytex. Ito naman yung nakakuha tayo ng air scrubber na kung saan yun yung area ni Jong Pilapil, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Ang meron lang kayong search warrant would be with Dumoy and Agdao. Would that be correct?
I believe, Mr.
Doon
Chair,
sa Arlene at saka Bunawan, wala kayong search warrant.
I believe yung Bunawan, hindi ko maalala, Mr. Chair, but I believe yung Bunawan may search warrant kami doon, Mr. Chair. Yung Arlene apartment, wala, Mr. Chair.
Yes. According to my information, dalawa lang po yung may search warrant. Agdao and Dumoy. Okay. Now, according to the logbook that I have of PIDEA Region 11, hindi naman po 11 yung nakuha sa sa Arlene apartment. Will you agree with that?
Hindi ko na matandaan, Mr. Chair. I'm sorry po. Hindi ko na talaga matandaan.
There were 13 people according to the logbook. The same person who signed yung logbook ng January 1, 2005, 10:35 a.m., si Tanod-Tanod, siya rin ang nagsabi o nagpumirma sa logbook nung bumalik yung mga tao ninyo, ang nireport 13 tao yung nakuha.
Possible, Mr. Chair.
Ang pumirma ay si Juanito Tanod-Tanod. Di po ba?
Yun ang nakalagay, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Sino po yung matanda na sinabi ninyo na nakuha doon?
Yung Carlos, ang nakaano ko doon is Carlos C, Mr. Chair.
Carlos C., pursuant to this record, is only 28 years old. Nandito naman eh. Tama yung sinabi ni Chairman kanina na merong 14 anyos, may 15 anyos. Tama. It tallies with the logbook that I have.
Hindi ko na matandaan, Mr. Chair. I'm sorry, Mr. Chair. Talagang, ang nangyari kasi Mr. Chair, I submitted all the after operations report sa PIDEA. Lahat yan, Mr. Chair. Progress reports. So I have about 5 progress reports. I have after operation report sa PIDEA sinubmit. And then, I have my own files. But nakurap na lahat, sir. Kaya ang hirap mag-recall nung event because talagang 20 years ago, that was 20 years ago. I don't know the names, Mr. Chair.
Meron nga ako ng record 20 years ago eh.
Yes, sir. That
What
was in
would be the
PIDEA.
basis of the questions that I would be asking of you if I do not have the records? Ibig mo sabihin, iniimbento ko lang tong sinasabi ko?
No, Mr. Chair. No, hindi po. But as far as I'm concerned, nakalimutan ko na talaga, Mr. Chair. I'm sorry po.
Mas maigi siguro yung rason na ganun. Ang sabihin, kasi ang pagtatanong ko naman po sa inyo ay base sa record na nasa akin.
Yes po.
And I think these are true records.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
When PDEA would submit the official copy of PDEA 11 logbook in the year 2004, makikita natin na tama itong nasa akin.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Mr. Chairman, ang dami na nagtanong tungkol doon sa 13 na nahuli doon sa Arlene, but nobody can tell us ano po ang nangyari sa kanila. Meron po ba makapagsasabi kung ano na po ang nangyari sa kanila? Naihukay na ba sila? Pinalaya o ano? Who can answer that? Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, siguro sir talagang ang tanungin natin dyan, yung Bureau of Immigration sa 11. Kasi talaga sila Mr. Chair ang makakasagot kung ano nangyari doon, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, may I move that we invite the Regional Director of BID noong 2004 doon sa Kwan. And kasi Winnie Kidato, sinasabi mo na hindi mo alam kasi may local BID. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero bakit yung pulis na local o yung duty officer ng PIDEA, kung PIDEA man ito, si SPO1 Tanod-Tanod, ay hindi niya alam inilagay dito yung pangalan ng local BID. Yung pangalan mo mismo inilagay eh. With BID personnel led by Police Superintendent Winnie Kidato. Kararating mo lang, alam niya. Inilagay niya dito sa logbook. Samantalang hindi niya sinabi yung local na head ng BID.
Hindi ko rin po alam ang kanyang iniisip bakit po nalagay. Ang aking pong pakay doon po ay mag-represent lang po sa Bureau of Immigration Commissioner tungkol po doon sa presentation ng nangyaring event. After that, umalis na po ko nung bandang hapon pagkatapos po ng meeting.
Thank you, Mr. Clarification lang po yung akin.
Thank you, Congressman Akop.
Chair.
Clarification.